Hiya, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and you can find my blog at craftyourbestlife.co.uk. Today I'm bringing you my little box of happiness. This is from the Craft Box UK and it's the monthly subscription signature box. I've been getting these since January, so I thought I'd give you a peek inside to see what's in there. Now, I've not looked at this one, I've not seen any spoilers or anything, so this is genuine first opening. So we get a lovely ribbon. See, it's a present, it's all wrapped up nicely. So that's the box, like that, and then we've got a magnetic clasp. See if I can fit my lid up there. So what have we got? May 2020 Craft Box is mermaids, and then that's a list of the different things that we'll find in here. So let's have a nosy. I don't know if I'm going to have to move the box off the table. If I go that way a bit, then I might have room there. So first of all, we've got some lovely handmade flowers. Where's my camera? Over there. Hopefully I knew where it was. So we've got those beautiful flowers. Oh, and we've got mermaid green and mermaid pink sprays. We've got a treasure tin. I'll open that in just a moment. We've got a beautiful frame. We've got some ephemera pieces. Oh, wow. 6x6 paper collection mermaids. So I'll flick through that in just a moment. Then we've got vintage sea backgrounds, 6x6 paper collection. Am I flashing a bit? Oh no, that's okay. What else have we got? Some snip art. That's like a portal, can't say that. Porthole window, that's what I want to say. So we've got that one, and there's a few more bits here. What I'll do is I'll take these out and then just move the box. Tissue paper always helpful, and this box has got magnetic closure, so it's great for keeping everything in. So we've got some key snip arts. Oh wow, how is that? A mermaid. Just put it goes there. So that's your stencil. So let's have a look at what we've got here. So this is the vintage backgrounds, vintage sea backgrounds. There's 20 in here. So let's just have a flick if my camera will allow it. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. I need to hold it, I think, because it's a bit... And then there's two of those, is there? Yeah. And we've got all of that. And there's another one. It's got like a slight shine to it, but not glossy. Whitewash. That one. Seashells. Good old boots. That's ships. Sorry, not boats, are they? They're ships. There's that one. So basically each month you get a different theme, and so what I've got in this box is similar to what I get anyway in the other boxes. Last month was wizard themed, which I was intending to video, but I didn't actually manage to do it. Mermaid 6 paper collection, 6x6 paper collection. This one's a bit thicker, so there's probably 2 of those yet, and 2 of those. Some fancy ladies. There's a million fish in the sea, but I'm a mermaid. Brilliant. That would be nice just in a little frame. There's a million of fish in the sea, but I'm a mermaid. That's a different cushion. Dream little big mermaid, eh? Dream little big mermaid. Yeah, that's what it said. Oh, I see. Dream big little mermaid. That's the way around it needs to be said. That one again. That one. Fancy ladies under the sea. And some fish. So that's that. What have we got now? Ephemera. So the great thing with this, everything that comes from Craftbox, they've got the take it all out. All the packaging can be reused, and this is actually a CD case, so it's good strong plastic to keep all your bits and bobs in. So let's have a look in here. We have got shells, a mermaid, more shells, Dream Big Little Mermaid, in a fish bowl. That's not really helpful like that, is it? Because you're like getting a big pile. So there's another one. I tend to put things down because my hands shake and it looks a bit weird. And here's this one. And the mermaid with a harp. This is pretty. Flowers. Fish. Flower. Starfish. Bigger shell. And there's a bigger mermaid there. So this box is, like I said, it's a subscription box. You can get a one-off box to try it, but there's no guarantee that there'll be any spare ones each month, if you see what I mean. So if you subscribe, you get the box you want. And I find it stretches my creativity. Just making noise. Hang on, let's move that over there. It stretches my creativity because I get to play with stuff I wouldn't normally play with. Because we've all got our favourites, haven't we? And I'm very much a purple person, and so this gives me a chance to stretch my activity. So we've got a little mint tin. Treasure. I'll just tip that out. Put it there, and I can add them. I've got some flat back pearls. The fish. Mermaid. Another fish. Oh, that's pretty. So you can also use these for my other fun thing that I do is jewellery making. Oh, look at that. Yeah, see my hand shaking? You can't see nothing with my hand shaking, can you? Dreaming of the sea. Little fish. Little fish. It's another one of those shells. Another dreaming of the sea, and another dreaming of the sea. Little shells. Mermaid. Another one of them. Another one of them. See, yeah, see, it's purple. My brain went to them straight away. So we've got two of those, two of those, and two of those, and two of those. So that would be great for making some earrings with. I mean, if you fancy, you could also use those to make earrings. Sparkly palm tree, and there's a few more flat back. Actually, I'll put them straight back in there because I'm going to lose them on my background. Another fish, turtle, another mermaid, flat back pearls. That's pretty. Try and stop my hand shaking. Is it going to focus on my hand? No. Oh, see it's sparkly on that. Some more pearls. Mermaids. Yeah, so this I find the craft box has got so many different elements to it that it can be used for so many different things. So it's not just paper crafting, it's not just one thing or another. It's quite oh, I suppose you'd call it mixed media kind of thing. And I love anything to do with the sea. Can't go on the sea, don't like boats, don't like getting wet much, but absolutely love being by the sea and watching the waves. So yeah, that's our postcard. So we've got a vintage sea background paper pad, submarine window snip art, that's the word I was looking for, not a porthole, mermaid stencil, mermaid green loomy spray, mermaid pink loomy spray, mulberry flowers and leaves, chains and keys snip art, mermaid paper pad, sea treasure tin, resin frame and ephemera. So that's this month's wonderful goodies. So I'm going to go and have a play, and I may pop back with what I can make later on. And I will leave the link to the Craftbox UK website, and there are other YouTubers that do unboxing videos as well, so there's plenty of things to look at. So yeah, this is the box. So it's got a magnetic closure. I like that. Okay, so that's Craftbox UK box, and I will leave all details below. I'm not affiliated with them in any way at all. I pay for my own box. It's not sponsored, and I don't get any financial reward for sharing this with you. I just thought it'd be something that people might like to see because it's a bit different. Okay, thanks very much then. I'll see you again soon. Bye.